Yeah. Oh, baby, I can hear the rain falling outside, but nothing sounds better than your breath tonight. Yeah. Balcony doors crack open just a little. Cold wind drifting through the room, soft and gentle. City lights blur through the raindrops outside, while your silhouette glowing in the midnight. You wrapped yourself up in my white sheets, barefoot dancing slowly to the backbeat. Hair wet from the storm we went through. Girl, even heaven couldn't paint a view like you. Champagne bottle, sweating on the table. Your lipstick stain still fresh on the label. And every little thing about this moment feel too perfect for me not to notice. You lean against the rail and close your eyes, rain kissing softly on your skin tonight. Then you turn around and smiled at me like love finally found where it's supposed to be. Ain't no noise from the world outside can interrupt this vibe tonight. No stress, no pain, just your body calling my name. And baby, every drop of rain sound like music when you sway closer, closer to me. Rain on the balcony while you slow dance next to me. Every touch feel heavenly, like a fantasy. Rain on the balcony, girl, your love keeps drowning me, and I don't wanna be set free from this ecstasy tonight. Rain on the balcony. Yeah. Your hand slid slowly underneath my jacket. Cold fingertips, but your touch still electric. And every time your eyes locked onto mine, I felt my whole soul shift inside. Girl, the storm outside had nothing on us. No lightning strike could ever interrupt the chemistry burning underneath our skin. The kind of fire you don't forget again. You started telling me your deepest fears, how loneliness been haunting you for years, how people loved your body but not your heart, and every goodbye left another scar. So I pulled you closer underneath the rain and kissed every ounce of hidden pain. Told you you ain't gotta hide with me, you can let your soul breathe freely. Then you cried softly against my chest, not from sadness, just emotional release. Like somebody finally understood the weight you carried underneath your beauty. The thunder cracked across the sky above us, but we stay wrapped inside our little new verse. You're breathing slow in while I rubbed your back, trying to love you in all the ways you lack. You whispered, don't let this moment end. And honestly, I ain't wanted to either, 'cause every second with you felt sacred, like destiny itself orchestrated. Rain drips slowly from your curls, down your neck and across your shoulders. I'm searching for. So let the rain keep falling down while we disappear inside this sound. No rush, no time, just your heartbeat next to mine. Baby, hold me through the night till the clouds give way to sunlight. Rain on the balcony while you slow dance next to me. Every touch feel heavenly, like a fantasy. Rain on the balcony, girl, your love keeps drowning me, and I don't wanna be set free from this ecstasy. The night, ooh. Can we stay right here forever? Rain falling, arms wrapped together. And if the world stops turning tonight, I'd still be alright, long as you're here by my side. Rain falling, hearts calling, your name echo through my soul.